Rabbits are incredibly beautiful, gentle, and one of the most popular pets in the world. But behind those sweet eyes hides an extremely sensitive animal that can be harmed very easily if not cared for properly. And sadly, most new rabbit owners unknowingly make mistakes that put their beloved pet's life in danger. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 most common mistakes new rabbit owners make and exactly how you can avoid them. If you truly love your rabbit or are thinking of adopting one, this video can genuinely change their life.
Mistake 1. Keeping the rabbit in a small cage. The biggest and most dangerous mistake is keeping a rabbit locked in a tiny cage. Rabbits are not cage animals at all. They're extremely active and curious. They need plenty of space to hop, run around, and stretch their body. In many homes, rabbits are kept in cages meant for hamsters or guinea pigs. This isn't just uncomfortable, it causes muscle weakness, depression, obesity, and spinal problems. For a healthy life, a rabbit needs at least 8 to 10 square feet of permanent space, and a minimum of 3 to 4 hours every day to roam completely free. Just imagine being confined to a small bathroom for your entire life. That's exactly how your rabbit feels in a tiny cage. If you truly care about your rabbit, give him space. Your rabbit doesn't want a cage. He wants a home.
Mistake 2. Feeding the wrong diet. Rabbits have the most sensitive digestive system in the animal kingdom. The wrong food can make them seriously ill very quickly. Many people think rabbits are crazy about carrots, but the truth is, carrots are very high in sugar. They are only a treat, not daily food. The correct diet should be 80% fresh hay, 10% fresh leafy greens, 5% quality pellets, and 5% treats, fruit or carrot. No bread, no biscuits, no human snacks, and no sugary fruit every day. A rabbit without hay is like a car without fuel. Hay keeps their teeth healthy, keeps the stomach clean, and keeps the entire system running properly.
Mistake 3. Not understanding rabbit body language. Rabbits can't speak, but they are constantly communicating through body language. Unfortunately, most owners misread these signals. Thumping the back legs hard? They're scared. Gently nudging you? Wants attention or food. Lying completely stretched out? Totally relaxed and happy. Loud teeth grinding? They're in pain. This is not cute. If you don't understand this language, you are unintentionally stressing them. And stress is life-threatening for rabbits. Learn their signals. Respect their feelings. Only then will they trust you.
Mistake 4. Not giving social interaction. Rabbits are highly social animals. In the wild, they live in large groups and depend on each other for companionship and safety. Yet many people leave their rabbit alone in a corner. No play, no bonding, no human company. A lonely rabbit becomes depressed. They stop eating, stop moving, lose all excitement. Spend time with them. Sit on the floor, talk softly, hand feed. Let them explore around you. If possible, adopt a bonded pair. 2 rabbits together are far happier and live much longer.
Mistake 5. Picking them up the wrong way. Rabbits absolutely hate being picked up. In nature, the only time they leave the ground is when a predator grabs them. So when you pick them up incorrectly, they panic. They can have a heart attack from fear or break their own spine by kicking violently. Never grab from behind. Never lift by the ears or neck. Correct way. Support the chest. Support the hind legs. Hold them close to your body. And most importantly, if your rabbit doesn't like being lifted, don't force it. Rabbits are incredibly fragile, yet they give love like no other animal. They depend on us completely.
Understanding their needs is the only way to give them a truly happy life. Avoid these 5 common mistakes,
And your rabbit won't just survive, he will truly thrive and blossom. If you want more rabbit care tips, real stories, and documentaries, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us save many more lives.